Have you found yourself tired of listening to all of these inspirational, motivational videos that next time you just want to skip? I know you've been there and I have been there. In fact, sometimes you don't just want to listen. But one of the reasons why that happens is because you have not been able to utilize the ones that you have even heard about. Okay, so it's almost now turning to information overload. You're just hearing motivation and all of those things. You have not tried anyone, or even if you have tried, maybe you have not seen it through. You know, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, it's very limited time to actually explore a lot of things. So a lot of times, what the speaker talks about is just the key points, like key points, where you need to now sit down and work on, because a lot of people just be like, no, these things don't work and all that. Yeah, it's understandable, because when you just take everything said to you as at face value and you try to implement it, you may not be able to really make a lot of things happen. So responsibility is also laid on you to go back and dwell on those information that you have gathered so far. Dwell on them, see the ones that you can actually implement. Look at the limitations, because sometimes the things that you're even listening to, it could be as a result of, it may not work because the environment or the geography is not the same, the climate is not the same. So if you're listening to inspirational videos from the US, for example, they make it sound very easy. Oh, credit, you can get money to start your business and all that, because they have something called credit cards that is functional, has been there for a long time. But around here, you need to talk to loan sharks to get stuff and all that. So it may not be necessarily in alignment. So when you hear inspirational, motivational speakers, just talk. Get what you need to get from them. Take out time to now dwell on it. Localize it to your environment. Do some things. Try it out. And then when you start having results, you'll be more open to these things. I hope that helps.